Hello dear friends, good morning. Let us start with our first poem of our ninth class syllabus, that is life. Yes, we are going to learn about 1.1 life. So before going to learn the whole poem, let us start with warming up activity. First one, there are many popular lines like life is a game, play it well. Life is a game, play it well. Second line, life is a journey, keep going ahead. Life is a journey, keep going ahead. So life here compared with game. Be careful. Life compared with game, and we have to play that game with our best. Okay. Second point, life is a journey. Here we understand life is compared with that journey in which we have to keep going ahead. Yeah, we should not quit or we should not stop, but we have to go ahead in our life. So here in both the lines, the comparison is made. Agree? Yes, the comparison is made. That means it is called metaphor, one of the figure of speech. So what does it mean? So metaphor means comparing one thing to another one without words like as. Without words like and as. Means what? We have to make that comparison directly without using these two words, that is like and as. Suppose if you say कि my friend plays like Sachin Tendulkar. My friend plays like Sachin Tendulkar. Yes, here you made comparison of your friend with Sachin Tendulkar. Okay, but it is not directly compared. You used that word like. So here, if you use that word like and as, that will be called a simile, one of the figure of speech, where like and as these two words are used, we have to name it as simile. Be careful. And instead of that, if you directly say my friend plays or my friend is Sachin Tendulkar of our team, means what? You are directly comparing your friend with your Sachin Tendulkar. So in this way, we should learn, we should understand that without words like and as, if there is a comparison, it is metaphor. So here, let us come to the point now. Here, life is directly compared with game. And in second, life is directly compared with journey. Very simple to understand. Okay? Now, we have to write 5 metaphorical lines. 5 metaphorical lines about life only. So 1 or 2 examples I will give you. Another remaining 3 examples you have to write. So be careful, be attentive. Listen. Suppose if I said, life is an ice cream. Enjoy it before it melts. What does it mean? I am comparing life with that an ice cream. Yes, I am comparing life with an ice cream which is very tasty and sweet. And if we want to enjoy it, we have to eat it before it get melts. So I directly compared that life with an ice cream. Take another example. For example, life is a ocean of happiness. If I say life is an ocean of happiness, sink it. उसमें डूब जाओ. That means dive into it, swim into it. Why? Because life is an ocean of happiness. So here life is compared with an ocean of happiness. Got it? I think I cleared enough to understand the metaphorical lines. Now remaining 3 lines you have to write. Let us check the second activity, that is prepare as many acrostic using the word life. Yes. Here acrostics means what? Acrostics means what? The word which you have to elaborate, you have to explain in a correct manner. That is called acrostic. Example. One example is given here. L-I-V-L-I-F-E, life. L stands for live, I for in, F for freedom, E for ever. Live in freedom ever. Okay? Live in freedom ever stands for life. Same way you can write another acrostic. Example, if you take an example, a word friend, F-R-I-E-N-D, friend. And if we want to write its acrostic, how we should write? F stands for faithful. Yes, come out with so many examples, so many qualities of our friends. So we can write here F for faithful, R for reliable. Reliable matlab dependable. Yes, if we have any doubt, any difficulty, we can depend, we can reliable on him or her. So R for reliable. FR, I for inspiring. Yes, I for inspiring. He should always inspire us. Okay, I. Then comes E. E for encouraging. Yes, motivating. So that friend should motivate us. Okay. Next one, N. N for noble. Yes, he should be a noble at his character. And last one, D for dedicated or disciplined one. Yes, he should be disciplined. He should be dedicated at his work. So here we easily wrote the acrostic of our word friend. Now, here you can write the acrostic of your own name also. Even you can write acrostics of the names of your parents, your mothers, your fathers, your brothers, your sister's name. You can write acrostic. If there is a name, a boy, there is a name Mohan, you can write the name meaning of Mohan, M-O-H-A-N. Likewise, so many things you can write. Fine. I think I am very clear here with both the activities. First one is warming up activity in which we have to use metaphorical language. Okay, you can compare one thing to another. Actually, in daily communication, so many times we use metaphorical language. So many times. Yeah, for example, as a joke, if you get angry with your friend, what do you say? Or to your younger brother or sister, you always say, you donkey, you scoundrel, you always say. Yeah, that means what? You are comparing your friend or your brother with that donkey, with that scoundrel. But you should know that that donkey is friend of whom? He is or she is friend of you. He or she is brother or sister of you. So be careful. Whenever you are calling, you are comparing your friend with your donkey, that means you are also a friend of that donkey whom you are calling or whom you are comparing with that donkey. So be careful while comparing or using metaphorical language. Okay. Let us check third activity, that is listen carefully and write the words in appropriate column. Two columns are given here. One is positive feeling, second one is negative feeling. We always wants positive feelings. We always happy at positive ends. Agree? And no one wants in dwelling or living in negative feelings. Yes? Do you want to be nervous for whole the day? No. Do you want to be what we can say jealous for whole the day? No. Do you want to be lonely for whole the day? No one. No one wanted to be living in negative feelings. So very simple activity it is given. Here teacher, that means I, will read these words and you have to mention or you have to divide into two categories. One is positive feeling, second one is negative feeling. Let us check 3 to 4 words. First one, hopeful. Is it negative or positive? Hopeful. Yes, it comes in positive feeling. We should always be hopeful. Hopeful matlab optimistic. Yes, positive. Second, lonely. Lonely is what? It is negative feeling. No one want to be lonely. If, as we are living in corona, we are facing the pandemic corona COVID-19, and if somebody, not us, but somebody lives 14 days in quarantine, will be he happy? Will he be happy? No, he will not be. So that is negative feeling. Next one, happy. Happy is positive feeling. Next one, jealous. Jealous is negative. Yeah, we should not be jealous to anyone. Okay. Likewise, you have to divide all these words in these two categories: positive feelings, negative feelings. I hope remaining words you will categorize in these two. Fine. I think I am very clear with all these three activities. I hope you will enjoy this video. And if you have more than 5 metaphorical lines, please mention in our chat box, in our drop box, and I would like to read your opinions. Fine? Till then, bye-bye. Take care. See you again.